In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screenshot your take profit information or profit display on Binance Futures effectively, and I'll throw in some tips to ensure that what you show is exactly what you intend. Capturing your screen to display specific details, such as your take profit targets, is a vital tool for tracking your trading journey or sharing insights with others. Although Binance doesn't offer built-in shortcuts specifically for snapping only the take profit sections, you can easily do it manually, and I'll guide you step by step through the process. To begin, preparation is key. Before you hit that screenshot button, make sure you've arranged your screen to clearly show all the pertinent information. You should be on your futures trading page, where your open positions or orders are displayed. Specifically, you'll want the take profit target for the position to be front and center. This could be seen as the TP limit or TP trigger and might also be present in the position summary, provided you've set a TP. You might also want to consider showing your current profit and loss or unrealized profit, which adds context and progress to your snapshot. And if you wish to include more detail, feel free to include leverage, entry price, or any other relevant details you'd like to highlight. Now, let's focus on how to do this on a desktop, specifically when you're using the browser version of Binance. Start by logging into your Binance account and navigate to Futures. From there, head over to your Open Positions or Orders section, where you'll be focusing on the take profit details. It's crucial to ensure that the TP price is visible on your screen. Depending on your viewing options, this could be tucked under Open Order Details, or you might locate it under the TP Limit/SL column. With everything in view, it's time to capture your screen, and this is where your device comes into play. If you're on a Windows computer, you have a couple of options. You can use the PRTSCN key for a quick screenshot, or for more precision, utilize the Windows key combined with Shift and S, which opens the Snip and Sketch tool for selecting specific screen areas. Mac users have an equally straightforward method. Simply press Shift, Command, and 4 simultaneously to select a specific region of your screen, or Shift, Command, and 5 to bring up a comprehensive menu with more options. Once you have captured your screen, take a moment to either crop or highlight the section that best displays your take profit information if you so desire. This editing step helps in focusing attention precisely where you want it, ensuring whoever you share this with gets the intended message without distractions. These steps should set you up to effectively capture and share your Binance Futures take profit details with clarity and ease. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading.